Hey, what's up everybody? It's Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is an unusual one, to say the least. It's not diecast related. These are my shower doors, and during this quarantine great way of life, I thought maybe I could try to tackle the water spots. It's gonna be kind of hard to see, but these glass doors are supposed to be completely transparent. They appear to be frosted on video and even in person. Now, as you get back to the back side here where the water doesn't hit when you run the shower, it doesn't look frosted. But as you look elsewhere and you move towards the front of the shower or tub, obviously the doors look frosted, but they are not supposed to be frosted. I couldn't find really anything to get the water spots off the doors, and I have some water spots on my Volkswagen Corrado that I want to see if I can get off as well. I had ordered this Sud Factory Spotless Water Spot Remover ×2 stuff direct from them, which I believe comes out of Hawaii. So we're gonna give this a shot here because I've tried everything to try to get these spots off. As you can see, they're pretty nasty, and they're almost etched into the glass. Over here we can see when my daughter apparently was writing something on the glass there. I don't know what, but so I'm going to climb in here. I'm going to work on this. So let's see the directions. I believe you're supposed to use a microfiber towel. Best results: wash glass first. A small amount on a terry towel or microfiber towel. Move in a circular motion. All right, so we're gonna shake well first. We're gonna go ahead here and give this a shot. I like to use spray weight glass cleaner. It's one of my favorites, and gonna pre-wash the glass with that first. See, I got a good bit of it off, but there's still a lot of etching there on the glass. Probably didn't need that much. I just put too much on there. Wow, that's a pretty big difference. Wow, I can actually see through the glass now. I mean, that's a heck of a difference there. That's pretty crazy. And I do have well water here, if you guys were wondering about what type of water I have. So it's probably well, I know it does. I'm not saying probably. It does leave lots of mineral stains. Best bet would be to take these doors off to do this. Wow, that looks pretty good. That's pretty impressive. Some of that's on the outside there. But that's, see if we can get some of that. All right, as we can see here, looking up and out towards the light, it's definitely right in there. It's pretty smooth, but you can still see like right there there's still a lot of water tracks. I don't know if you want to call them water tracks or what, where it's etched into the glass. But I am pretty well confident if I keep working at this, that it will come off. And if I take this door off, I took the outer door off. If I take this door off, I can almost guarantee you, lay it on my bed and go over with an orbital polisher, I'm pretty sure this will all come off. So far I'm pretty impressed. As you can see, there's still a lot of tracks. Right there, you can still see. But right in here, I was really working at it, and you can see it's almost completely gone right in there. It's hard to get this on video, but I'll try to look up. It didn't really work up there too much yet. But I would say for working on it about an hour, I'm about ready to just pop this door off and get the orbital polisher out and go over it. But point being is I wanted to try this out and just see by using hand power how well it works, and it seems to be working fairly well. And also, just as a disclaimer, I paid it was almost $30 for this bottle, and that was on even with a sale price code. So this was not provided to me by any means. I paid out of my own pocket for this. And but let's head out to the car. I want to see if I can get it off the glass. I have some acid rain spots on my Corrado glass. We'll see if we can get it off of there. Let's head out there. Okay, after about an hour of working on these, I took the outer door off and put it on my bed and polished it by hand. I would recommend using an orbital polisher if your glass is as bad as mine, because you can still see there's some cloudiness to them, and that's not my pink loofah, by the way, that's my daughter's. It's definitely a huge difference though. I mean, they were really etched and cloudy. A lot of people would come in here and would assume that this was a frosted glass option. Now you can see where the two glass past each other gets a little cloudy, the two doors, but really it's supposed to be 100% transparent. It never really was, because I have well water here, so it's very difficult to keep them nice and clean. I got lazy the last probably 10 years and kind of didn't really do what I should have with them. I mean, I would take them off sometimes and clean them, but not to this extent. So really, when I get time, I think I'm going to go over them with an orbital polisher. It's just the back one's kind of a pain to get off because you got to remove some track piece there. But I'm really happy with the outcome for just doing it, polishing by hand in a circular motion. I think it came out pretty well. So that is summarizing the glass shower doors portion of it. Now I'll head out to the car. We'll see how that does. And the car is minor compared to this. This is pretty bad. All right, now that we're out here by my car, it's going to be hard to see, but there you can definitely, it's definitely showing up on video here. These, I think it's acid rain. I'm not sure, from the hard water, maybe from washing, but this happened probably over 10 years ago that I can think of. Certain lighting you can really see it, but you have to take my word for it, but there's spots etched into the glass that I just cannot get off. There you can kind of see it right there. You can really see it. You can mainly see where it has the black trim, like right there. There you can really see it. So let's give us a shot and just see how this works. If this will take any of it off. You don't need too much of it. It looks like it took it off. right in here. It's almost gone. It's still some there, but it's definitely not as bad as it was. We got a good bit of it off. I think I would just have to work at it some more. But for a minute of basically messing with it, it's coming off. No doubt. You can see there, it's right in here where I was really working there, that it looks pretty good. All right, so to sum up this video that probably became a little longer than it needed to be, it definitely did a better job than the Griot's Garage glass polish liquid, which I think is a little bit less aggressive than this stuff, but this is taking it off, and it has a toothpaste menthol smell to it, so it's not too bad. And but I definitely recommend it if you have some nasty water spots, such as my car and my glass shower doors, where you can't get it off and it just seems like you're about ready to give up. Give the Sud Factory a check, check them out, because I think it's a pretty good little company. They seem to have good reviews and good customer service. So there you go. Hopefully you guys liked that. And I know it was kind of a boring video and not diecast related, but there's some people out there who like detailing their cars and would be interested in finding out how well this works. If you like this type of video, be sure to subscribe or like, share, all that good stuff. If you're not a subscriber, it's free. It can't be free. Hit the bell for notifications, and I will see you guys later. Have a good night. See you guys later.